The goal of MILEDI Project is to use laser patterning as a method to produce high-resolution pixels for displays made of nanomaterials. Laser is a fast and high-resolved method for industry, and nanomaterials because they perform very well in terms of color purity and brilliance.
The ENEA patent describes a new method, the direct laser patterning, to obtain an array of micrometric emissive areas. These areas represent the down conversion filter formed by the fundamental colors red, green and blue that are the pixels of our display. The challenge is to obtain different colors, keeping the chemical formulation constant and varying only the laser parameters.
Patent innovation is the realization of pixel patterning in a single step. The simplification of the process is helpful for enterprises because the realization of the product is more economical with respect to other methodologies due to the saving of materials and processing time.
The MILEDI project is organized by including 10 partners, and 4 of them are industries. ENEA is the coordinator and is producing part of the nanomaterials. The ENEA Frascati Lab are organized as a functional unit. That means that we can produce nanomaterials from their beginning up to a final small product. So we can have the complete supply chain.